Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to permanently delete Facebook account. If you're using Facebook and then you want to delete your Facebook account, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Facebook app, and here just tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner. Then select settings of the gear icon in the top right corner, or you can also select settings from here. Just tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings here, then select account center. Here select personal details option. Here you have to select account ownership and control, then select deactivation or deletion. And here just select your Facebook account, and you just have to select which one you want to do. If you want to only deactivate your account or temporarily deactivate your account, you just have to select the first option, or if you want to completely or permanently delete your account, just select the second option here, then tap on this continue option here. And here you just have to select any reason. If you don't want to, just select the continue option again, and then you can select any one option from here if you want to. If you don't want to delete your account, but if you want to delete your account, simply tap on this continue option and your account will be deleted. So in this way you can easily or permanently delete your Facebook account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.